Hi.
Hi.
I don't have much to say,
I'm pretty busy this afternoon.
so I can't.
My name's Spencer Burke. I am a quality production co-op here at MPC.
My name is Qusai. I'm a project engineer here at MPC.
And my name is Trish Qusai, and I'm a support engineer for the advanced engineering team here at MPC.
For me as a project engineer, it starts from A to Z. I'm involved in getting the drawing, feasibility check, and I'm in charge of every part of the way there.
So at MPC, my job looks like supporting project engineers like Qusai. All along the way, I just help them with whatever they need.
So I would come in near the end of Qusai and Trish's journey, and I would help measure all the parts and ensure that the parts being made are up to specification and that they're within the tolerances. Then I'd also help set up the graphs and charts that display this information to the customers.
So I graduated from Ontario Tech with a mechanical engineering degree earlier this spring. I pretty much always knew I wanted to be an engineer. My parents were furious with me when I was younger for always taking apart the remote, and basically anything that I could find, like a latch or a screw on, I'd be taking it apart. And sometimes I'd put it back together, sometimes I'd just have fun with it.
So I graduated from the University of Guelph. I did my bachelor's of mechanical engineering. I loved it so much I went ahead for my master's as well. I found the path that not just that I can enjoy it, I can actually make money doing this. And that's where I started working through to enter that mass manufacturing area.
I'm currently at Georgian College for mechanical engineering technology. I wasn't really always sure I wanted to be an engineer. I wanted to be a pilot when I was younger, but I always just really enjoyed making things out of Lego and building things.
This past spring, I felt like even though I have my degree and everything, I still have no idea how to be an engineer. And Qusai, someone who's been doing it for a couple years and who has a good leadership qualities, has really held my hand and walked me through a lot of the stuff. But it's having that on-the-job experience with someone who wants to teach you that really takes it home.
If whoever's interested in something like that, to find somebody that has been doing this for a while and ask them some questions. I can say that the final outcome is rewarding.
Once I've become an engineer, it's given me such an appreciation for how much effort and thought and time goes into every single thing you see around you that's not organic. So you've got a million things, you've got a million little milestones you're hitting all the time, and then that final milestone when you get the part in your hand and you can sign it off and send it away, it's really satisfying.